Here is a question. Read it carefully and think about the answer. Let us solve it step by step. Let us first understand the key concept here. Reduction of nitriles with LiAlH4. Moving on to the next step. Identify the starting material. The starting material is butanitrile, CH3CH to CH2CN, a nitrile with a 3-carbon chain attached to the CN group, making it a 4-carbon nitride overall. Moving on to the next step. Recall the reaction of nitriles with LiAlH4. LiAlH4 excess reduces a nitrile, RCN, to a primary amine, RCH2NH2. The CN group is reduced by adding 2 hydrogen atoms across the triple bond to give an imine intermediate, which is further reduced to give a primary amine. The net result is RCN plus LiAlH4 excess, then H3O plus -RCH2NH2. And for the final step, apply to this substrate. CH3CH to CH2, CN is reduced to CH3CH to CH2CH2NH2, which is butan 1 amine, 1 aminobutane. This is a primary amine where the CN carbon becomes a CH2 bearing the NH2 group. Match to the answer choices. Option A. A plain alkane, no nitrogen, no oxygen, cannot result from nitrile reduction. Incorrect. Option B shows a propyl chain with a CH2NH2 group, giving CH3CH to CH2CH2NH2, butan 1 amine 1 aminobutane. This matches R CH2NH2 where R is equal to propyl. Correct. Option C. An alcohol of group. LiAlH4 on a nitrile does not give an alcohol. Incorrect. Option D. A gemdiamine, 2NH2 on the same carbon. This is not the product of nitrile reduction. Nitriles give only 1 NH2. Incorrect. Therefore, the correct answer is B. Therefore, the correct answer is option B.